Hey there, savvy investors and curious minds. Welcome to Wealth Builders Wisdom. Ever heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe even Dogecoin and wondered, what's the buzz all about? Well, today we're unraveling the world of cryptocurrency, especially for those just stepping into this vast digital realm. Picture this. It's the late 2000s, and a mysterious entity named Satoshi Nakamoto releases a white paper on a revolutionary digital currency called Bitcoin. Fast forward to today. Cryptocurrency has taken the financial world by storm. But what exactly is it? Cryptocurrency, in simple terms, is digital or virtual money. Unlike the traditional currencies we're used to, these digital assets aren't backed by physical commodities or governments. Instead, they use cryptography to provide secure online transactions, and the technology behind it, blockchain. Now, imagine a ledger, but not just any ledger. One that is decentralized, secure, and transparent. That's blockchain for you. Each transaction made is added to a block, and once full, this block joins an ever-growing chain. Hence, the name, blockchain. Ingenious, right? There's more to cryptocurrency than just Bitcoin. Ethereum, which allows for the creation of smart contracts, Ripple, known for its digital payment protocol more than its cryptocurrency, and Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin's gold. And then, there are thousands of altcoins, each with its own purpose and potential. But before you dive headfirst into the crypto pool, there are some things to consider. Firstly, wallets. Not the leather ones in your pocket, but digital wallets where you store your crypto. They come in various forms: hardware wallets, mobile wallets, desktop wallets, and even paper wallets. Choosing the right one? Well, it depends on your needs. But remember, security should always be a top priority. Then, there's the matter of acquiring cryptocurrencies. Most people buy them on exchanges, platforms where you can trade cryptocurrencies. While some are user-friendly, others might require a bit of a learning curve. But hey, that's why you're here, right? Now, if you're still with us and you're finding this guide insightful, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button below. We've got tons of content on building wealth, and you wouldn't want to miss out. Let's touch upon investing. Cryptocurrencies are volatile. Prices can skyrocket, but they can also plummet. It's essential to do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. Why is everyone talking about crypto? Beyond its potential as an investment, cryptocurrency holds the promise of revolutionizing sectors. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is aiming to recreate traditional financial systems but without intermediaries. Then there's the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, digital assets representing ownership of a unique item on the blockchain. But with great promise comes great responsibility. Regulatory bodies around the world are keeping a close eye on the crypto universe. Taxes, legal implications. These are things one must be aware of when venturing into the world of digital assets. So, why should you, as a budding wealth builder, care about cryptocurrency? It's not just about riding the investment wave. Understanding cryptocurrency is about appreciating the future of finance, technology, and how the world might operate tomorrow. After all, knowledge is the best investment. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies are more than just digital coins. They represent a technological shift, a new way of thinking about money, ownership, and trust. And as with any investment, the key is to stay informed, remain curious, and be strategic. Cryptocurrencies are more than just the latest buzz. They represent the intersection of technology and finance, creating opportunities and challenges in equal measure. Let's delve deeper into how cryptocurrencies function. At the heart of every cryptocurrency is the concept of decentralization. Unlike traditional banks, where transactions are verified by a centralized entity, cryptocurrencies operate on a network of computers. Each transaction is verified by these computers, or nodes, ensuring transparency and security. Ever heard of mining? No, not the one with pickaxes and helmets. In the crypto world, mining refers to the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. Once solved, the transaction is added to the blockchain, and the miner is rewarded with cryptocurrency. It's a race, and only the fastest and most powerful succeed. Let's also discuss the environmental impact. Mining, especially Bitcoin, requires significant computational power, which consumes a lot of energy. It's led to concerns about the carbon footprint of cryptocurrencies. However, the industry is evolving, and many are seeking greener alternatives. Cryptocurrencies are also democratizing finance. In regions with unstable currencies or limited banking infrastructure, cryptocurrencies offer an alternative means of storing value and transacting. It's more than just making money. It's about making finance accessible to all. Now, onto the world of smart contracts. Think of them as self-executing contracts where the terms are written directly into lines of code. They automatically enforce and execute the terms of a contract, reducing the need for intermediaries and increasing efficiency. Let's talk security. While blockchain technology is inherently secure, the broader ecosystem has vulnerabilities. We've heard stories of exchanges being hacked or users losing access to their wallets.
Now, there's a very important threshold question here. In order for the SEC to become involved in the regulation of crypto, remember the SEC's name is the Securities and Exchange Commission. We have to cross the definitional barrier of being able to define the crypto as a security. So that raises the question, what's a security? Now what's interesting is if you look at the statutes, the organic statutes, the Securities Act of 1933 and the Securities and Exchange Act of 1934, each contains a section that defines what a security is.
Beyond the coins, cryptocurrency ecosystem, while we've touched upon the primary aspects of cryptocurrencies, it's also important to understand the broader ecosystem surrounding it. The cryptocurrency landscape is a vast interconnected web of technologies, platforms, and innovations. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, and token sales, an innovative fundraising mechanism. ICOs allow individuals or teams to raise capital by issuing their unique tokens. While they've garnered attention for their ability to democratize startup funding, they also come with significant risks. Many projects have either failed to deliver or were outright scams, so due diligence is paramount. Staking and yield farming. In the traditional financial world, you earn interest by keeping your money in a bank. In the crypto universe, staking allows you to earn additional coins by holding and locking in a particular cryptocurrency in a wallet to support operations like block verification. Yield farming takes this concept further. By lending or providing liquidity to a protocol, users can earn rewards. The dynamics of these strategies can be complex, and while they can be lucrative, they're not without risks. In this ever-evolving landscape, Wealth Builders Wisdom remains committed to bringing you the most relevant, timely, and insightful content. The world of finance is changing, and together, we'll navigate its twists and turns.